The first thing to note is something which is ignored in mainstream investing right now, and that is that the value and the price of an asset are not the same thing. Value is how much the asset or even the product in question is actually worth, and the price is how much you have to pay in order to acquire it. If I want to buy a new car, it may be worth $10,000 or even £10,000 or whatever, and that may well be its fair value, but the price which I'm being asked to pay could be a completely different figure, and it usually is. Maybe the guy selling the car wants $15,000 and is trying his luck, or maybe he's desperate to sell and wants $7,000, and so making the mistake in confusing price and value is a very dangerous thing to do. But if you know the difference and you can make a clear distinction, it can allow the investor to do two potentially very useful things. The first is recognize when the market is selling something, for example ADA or Coca-Cola stock, for less than it's actually worth, and this of course creates buying opportunities. And then it can also tell you when the value is below the market price, which could be an indication of good exit points as well. In the case of Cardano, the value of this project, and therefore the currency ADA, just did a whole lot of advancing because of the merry Hardfork. The ability to develop tokens native to Cardano which can be used by private organizations to create their own currencies to trade with their customers, in a decentralized way which requires no special coding or smart contracts, just opened up a whole new source of potential customers and growth. If you're enjoying this video so far and you're a crypto investor or you just want to know more about blockchain technology and how it's changing our world for the better, do me a favor and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Anyway, it's no secret that this was going to happen, as anybody who ever looked at a Cardano roadmap knew that this event was coming, but I think that very few people actually understand the significance of the event. Most investors only look at the price and they think that the only way for an asset or a currency like ADA to become cheaper or more expensive is for the price to rise or fall, and because they only look at the price and never at the actual value, they miss the fact that the actual underlying value can rise or fall without the market value having moved anywhere. If for the purpose of illustration I'm looking at a token which is selling at exactly $1 per unit and is also worth exactly $1 per unit, in this situation the price is exactly equivalent to the market value, and so the price at which the market is offering me to buy this token is neither a bargain nor a rip-off. But say that a development takes place in this project and they open up a new source of growth which adds value to the utility of the platform. Now the value may rise by 20 or 30%, and so the real value is now $1.20 or $1.30. But because most investors don't pay any attention to the actual real value, the market price may still be $1 per unit. And so while the price of the currency may not have changed at all, because the value has now increased in relation to the market price, the market value is now below actual value and is therefore a bargain. Now in real life it's not that simple because value is a subjective thing, and depending upon who you ask, you will get wildly varying valuations of any cryptocurrency, and that's why it's not so clear cut in the price of ADA. I'm confident that the merry Hardfork improve the utility of this token, and the platform as well, but whether the market price is above or below actual value isn't so clear to me, because again it depends upon who conducts the valuation. Right now I'm not really sure what the clear value of Cardano actually is. On the one hand the platform has been growing and advancing fairly quickly, but on the other hand so has the market price, and that's why I never tell any investor to buy or sell, and that's why they have to make their own decisions based upon their own valuations and their own risk tolerance. And please don't forget the risk element in crypto. Crypto and ADA have a lot of potential in my opinion, but always remember that nobody knows what will happen tomorrow, and this is especially true in cutting edge technology, so be aware of the risk element as well. Anyway, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't wait any longer and don't miss out on any more content, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.